In this video, let me show you how to restore your Headspace subscription. So if you're currently facing a paywall and not being able to use any of the content, what you can simply do is just tap on any of the content that is visible. And as soon as you do that, this paywall will open up, which is the section of adding in your card. So in this section, if you already have purchased or are subscribed to the Headspace subscription, you'll be able to see the option which says restore purchase. You can simply tap on this option and your issue should be fixed and the restore should be made. But however, if you're having issues with it, what you can try out is try to ensure that you are logged in with the correct email address. If you're, for example, logged in using a different email address, this account might not have the subscription. Also try to reinstall the application of Headspace because sometimes there might be bugs which might be causing the issue. So just uninstall the app and then again re-download it. By following these few steps, you should be able to restore your Headspace subscription. Do give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.